to show you what's underneath this rug. I did a video a while back about how to make a garden using just some cardboard and a rug and good old time. So this has been here for about 3 months, and we'll go ahead and lift it up and show you what it looks like underneath. And before this, obviously it was just really thick grass like this, which is really hard to, it's hard to pull up grass like this because it's so strongly rooted. So this is how I turn my grass into a garden. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what's underneath it. Oh, Dixie's doing it. Let's see. What's under there? Go ahead, son. All right, so the grass just comes right off.
Yeah.
You don't have to do anything, and you've got this beautiful dirt.
Comes off just like magic.
The dirt is very well worked already.
Oh, I just saw a grub. So
that's basically what it's like all through here. You can still see some of the compost, but there is no more grass here. I did come across a couple rocks, maybe like 5 rocks. And it's not a day in the garden if I don't come across a shotgun shell, so I found that as well.
Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to get away?